Snapper Creek today. Just going to be me and him. Harold's joining us on one boat. He's going to be sliding back. We got Gamo guns. I think we got some AEAs coming out with the fellas from Tennessee. It's going to be a good one. So stay tuned. I don't need to translate on that one. Gotta chase him.
Vale.
Step on him.
Que le brinque.
Get him!
Ahí está otra, ¿no? Ya te tráeme la que liquidé ahí.
Ya, güey. Where's the other one?
Ahí mismo. También con right there. ¿No? A ver. We're gonna be on A Street on the canal, on boats. A Street and what?
The turnpike.
The turnpike?
East and west of it. Nice shot. Nice shot. Good deal. All right. Can you open that door for me? Can you open the door? Yeah, see, thank you. Bam. One more.
He better be doing good. I haven't seen him kill nothing yet.
Nice shot.
You got that one? Yeah, we got that.
All right.
What do you shoot us on?
I'm gonna, if you want to walk down, go ahead and throw them in there, bud. If you two want to walk down, I'm gonna chase them with the boat to keep them from going in the water. Oh yeah, he's dead. Hold that one up.
What he told me yesterday, he was like, I want it, I'm gonna tell you to shoot.
Es la que le habías dado en la panza, que corrió para acá.
I like it, bro. I don't really use the fusion too much. I actually like it. My favorite guy. Team 2 over here. We're gonna go see what happens at the end of the day. See what the final victory. They're warming up with the good ones, you know, just getting there. So you guys see, you gotta be quick before they go into the holes. You know, if they're moving, I think he complained that they were moving. If they're moving, anticipate where they're gonna go by a little dot.
And then when somebody's shooting, just watch this. Because this is gonna kill everybody. That little bit of rock.
Nosotros también, ¿no? Me quiere saber quién coge el primero grande. Eso es lo que yo quiero saber. El primero, número 1 o número 2. You need bullets?
Nosotros venimos de donde tiran flechas.
Estás loco.
Nosotros venimos de donde tiran flechas.
Oh yeah, it's dead. There we go.
Oh, no, they shot him on the pole.
Oh, they got him.
Yeah.
Hey, they got him. Yeah, you got my stick. Well, they deserve the stick.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Shit.
Oh, come on, come back up.
Ahí está la cola.
No problema. No scope for me.
Hey.
Big one. Oh, nice one. I didn't see it.
Ahí no, está otro abajo. Está otro abajo.
You see him?
Ahora sí se quedó. Ni te había visto. Ajá, pero dijo, mira cómo vio la pijilla.
Y ahí lo volteó de mal.
All right.
Ya vete la sitio.
Dos más.
Oh!
All right, who's going to find him?
I got you. Mira, ella también ya está muriendo, mira.
There's 2 on the ground, 1 dying up in the tree.
Oh yeah, he hung.
Yeah, he hung.
Can you make that?
A ver, ya.
Go ahead. right.
Voy a ir a buscar iguanas.
I would. They just shot like 4 of them. So watch the back trees. 5. They're raining. Oh, you guys are doing some free tree trimming up there.
Yeah, right. Oh! There we go. Perfect on this side of the fence.
Oh yeah, triple bag.
Sure.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, bite me. I fucking dare you. No, nice. Here, don't worry, I got him. I got him. Here.
¡No lo maté! Yo creo que le di la cabeza.
Nice.
I'll get pictures later.
Yep, they're all laid down. They're all laid down.
They're down there.
Gotcha.
We'll open up,
Okay.
okay? Turn around, stop doing what you're doing. You're giving a bad example. When the officer comes in contact with you, it's not going to be pretty.
I'm putting it up against the side, all right?
And I'm sure you don't have a hunting license. Get out of here right now. Put him away.
Yep, come here. We already called you guys this morning
About?
that we were going to be out here today.
People are calling the police.
Hey, that's fine.
Anything about it.
There's a difference.
That's real or not.
That's fine. There's a difference between the law and what we can do.
There's no problem. Do you have a hunting license right now?
You don't need a hunting license.
Okay, do me a favor. We're getting calls right
That's
now.
fine. We'll move down the canal, but don't come up here trigger happy on me, okay?
I don't know any better.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you. Put them away.
Sir, if you like to be technical, you don't have jurisdiction of Florida Fish and Wildlife. This is planned by Florida Fish and Wildlife.
But I can get somebody that has jurisdiction. Okay?
That's fine.
Look, we're getting
But-
calls right now and we don't know any better.
Yeah.
Okay? We don't know any better.
Right.
We get sometimes people, we already had a shooting with people really having real
No,
rights.
trust me.
And we
Trust
know
me.
people's intention. We make contact. This is what you guys are doing. We're asking, not telling.
No. There's a difference between
Came out
asking.
with your gun. Hey,
Yeah.
you came out with your gun, sir.
Yeah.
But
You came out with a real gun.
Huh?
You came out with a real gun.
Yeah, because I don't know any better.
that's fine. Hey, take off.
We already called in, sir.
People are calling the police.
Yeah,
They don't know anything
that's
about
not right.
it. We don't know if that's real or not.
We called it in, sir.
There's no problem. Do you have a hunting license right
You don't need one for invasive species.
now? Okay, look at me.
You don't need one for
We're
invasive.
getting calls right now.
We understand.
I don't know any better.
We know the rights though. So, in fact, technically, sir, if you want to be technical, you don't have jurisdiction on Florida Fish and Wildlife. This is ran by Florida Fish and
I
Wildlife.
can get somebody that has
Please do. I'd rather you. You don't have jurisdiction.
getting calls.
But you don't have jurisdiction. We called. We did what we were supposed to.
We don't know any better.
Sir, we called in and let you know. That's not our concern.
We make contact.
No, we're not. We're going to stay here, sir, just so you know. We will stay out here. We will be out here still. We're not leaving. If you want to call Florida Fish and Wildlife, they have jurisdiction here. Yep. Have a great day.
La ves? Aquí tengo el palo.
That's gone.
Vamos ahí, vamos ahí.
Nah, it's gone.
Medio malo.
Woo! Get him on! Before it goes under that bridge. Nice. One more. Ah! He's not dead, but he's not dead, but he's crippled.
Look at the trees now. There should be some big.
You can take that gun up there with you if you want. Look up in this tree.
Where's he going? He's going up the tree.
All right, let's get you off there quick.
There we go. Perfect. Stay there, baby.
¿Vas a decir que qué hora? Ve. ¿Que le cambié la copita o qué?
That's a lot of blood. Oh, there you go. Bing!
Está como más a lo ajustado. Más cerca. Sí, porque está más cerca. Agua City.
Where's his tail? That must have been one of the ones I ripped the tails off.
Saliendo la cola para atrás, ¿eh? Es lo que te digo, que se les corta la cola.
Hey, we're doing this for the Twisted Tea sponsorship. What? Oh, he threw his fucking shoe at it. Oh no. I got that one. Not the chacolitas. Imagine. There you go. Nice shot. Nice. Shit's starting to get fucking annoying. Can I help you? What's that? Yeah. What can I help you with? What?
Did you talk to an officer earlier?
Yeah.
What did he say? What did he say to you?
That I can keep doing what I'm doing.
He told you that?
He said to move down the canal. I'm down the canal. And technically he can't tell me to move down the canal, man.
The officer tell you to keep doing what you're doing?
Yeah, he can't control it. He said,
I said, he literally told you that?
Yeah, yeah.
The short guy?
Yeah, short guy, kind of stocky, Hispanic.
Okay. And he said keep doing what you're doing?
Yeah, because he literally can't do anything about it. Because we're on the
What you guys had before?
What's that?
What did you talk with? Yeah.
If you head down this canal to A Street and then head west. He met us right at FIU campus, right on South Side.
Okay.
Yep. And then we had a couple other guys saying, oh yeah, you guys are out here just shooting iguanas? Yep, all right.
What are you guys shooting?
Iguanas. You good? More than welcome to take a look. I'm gonna just move those guns off the cooler, all right? They're just air guns.
What do you guys do with them?
Yeah, we got a couple geese in there
How
too.
do you cook those things?
So I try and skin them. You take the legs, the back legs, and the tail, and I like to grill them. A lot of people use them in
And it
curries.
tastes good?
Oh yeah. You never had iguana before?
I had a guy that I used to work before. He told me that he used to barbecue iguana. I thought he was just messing with me.
Oh no, he's not fucking with you. No, a lot of Hispanics eat iguanas, and I mean
You guys are with you?
yeah. Yep, yeah, we have another boat too. He's just
I
running
guess
it.
people passing by to see you guys with guns and everything.
Like a glove. That's why we call every time. When we go out, we call. When we go out, like out here, we call and say, hey, we're gonna be in this area, like Calle Ocho, like A Street.
You guys did that today?
Yeah. We called the
You guys call. Today?
Florida Highway Patrol. And then we,
Yeah. So this area is Midwest.
okay.
Midwest, get the phone number down. That's the best.
These are all air rifles, by the way. We don't have any real guns with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now all iguanas, that's all we got, iguanas.
Yeah. I don't wanna, you know,
Another
you
call.
understand what I'm saying, right?
We got you.
No, at least we're giving you something interesting to do, you know? Vámonos. Oh, hang on, you got one more. One of us. Oh, come on. Woo.
How do we? Then kicked me out, one stuck, and then the fact that he knew that we already spoke to the other one. What's the problem?